Steelmaking, what's next? Strength, precision, efficiency, in every beam, in every joint, in every weld. Structural steel fabrication is essential to a world where more and more people enjoy higher standards of living. Stricter regulations, more extensive documentation, lower CO2 impact, growing emphasis on circular construction principles, supply chains that are more volatile than ever. At the same time, customers, developers, engineers, architects demand longer lifespans and less frequent maintenance. How do you keep up as a steelmaker? How do you turn the challenges into competitive advantages? Avantguard was developed to address exactly that. A unique, patented anti-corrosion technology that not only delivers unmatched durability, but also optimizes your production workflow. More protection, less paint, simpler application, faster throughput. Avantguard is far more than just an innovative, proven primer technology. With over a decade of real-world performance, it's a solution that lasts from fabrication to final project. No matter how harsh the conditions, it's a smarter way to protect steel and to future-proof your business. It's a way to sharpen your competitive edge. It's time to Avantguard.